Howdy YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Gunman Raw. So yeah, today we've got this Audi. I think it's an A4, something like that. Anyway, it's an Audi. Not my favorite kind of car. I mean, never's a big word as always, but I can't imagine myself ever buying one. I'm definitely not a big fan. They're kind of semi-woke as well. Like, they've done some woke things. They did some woke, like some terrible like woke advertisements at the Super Bowl. Terrible. But yeah, I just don't like them. I don't like the people that seem to drive them, tend to be arrogant pigs on the road. Not all of them, obviously, but it seems to be more than usual. So decent sized job, this one. Yeah, decent hit in the back end of it. A new back panel. Blend on this quarter panel. There was a couple of little sort of minor repairs through there. This door's a blend. I don't even know. I mean, well, this door's all been done before, so I think actually the whole back end's been done before, but you can see I accidentally even cut through. They mustn't have put much color on there, but it's okay. This color here is actually a solid color, so there's no metallic in it. And yeah, the color is just literally, I put it up to I found my color chip, it looked really good, put it up to the computer, and it's literally just straight black. There is nothing else in it. It's black, reducer, and one of those additives. Anyway, I'll get my respirator on. So yeah, we're just gonna do the base coat in this video. It's actually a pretty hot day today, so switching over to slow reducers. Well, this one I actually did a mixture. The reducer that I put in there is half and half. I do that sometimes. I'll get my respirator on. Okay. So hopefully you can hear me. I do know that this booth is a little bit on the loud side. It's a bit louder than the previous shop that I was working at, but I don't really want to be yelling too loud and ruin my voice, so hopefully you can just hear me. If not, just watch, you'll be right. You guys have probably got a better view from up there than what I do, to be honest. So using Sando Blue, which is obviously what I'm using, so I prefer to do the blend first and then colour in, so to speak, the rest of the job. That's why I'll do these blends first. A little bit of colour over there. And that's slow blender. There was like two little stone chips up here. I'm just going to put a bit of colour over them, and that's it. The rest of it's not going to need it. A bit more blender here actually. But I'm going to put colour all the way up there. You can see even that blender's already starting to dry down. That's how hot it is today, guys. It's 29 degrees Celsius and 50% humidity, because I've got a thermometer in there. I'll do this quarter panel and then quickly jump over to the other side of the roof so it doesn't start drying on me. So it is a solid colour, but yeah, it still like covers really well. obviously I did put that wet on wet down. If you weren't sure what that was, that's sort of light, very light, oh sorry, that very dark grey, that was wet on wet primer. So that's it. Now we're going to keep moving because I can see that is starting to dry. Good little save there. Just put a touch of black there. Last thing you want to do is clear over something like that. Unless they're going a bit too far with the sandpaper or the orbital sander or something like that. Where were we? So it must just have gone through the clear coat. I'm still going to blend it. You might have noticed a couple of little primer patches down here. Again, that was just some wet on wet primer. I did a couple of little small repairs, kind of freebies like these in the UV primer, and then put a bit of wet on wet primer over the top. Alright, and that's about us for this video there, guys. It's really straightforward, and it's a pleasure to spray this base coat. I tell you what, it's so clean and it's so quick. You know, this video here is probably less than 10 minutes. By far and away, much more work goes into the prep work. You know, I spent sort of like half the day today prepping this car up, and then what, 10 minutes putting the base coat down? But yeah, I'm going to be doing a clear coat video on this one, guys, so if you would like to watch that, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Hang around. In a couple of days I'll be putting that one up for you guys to watch. Rightio guys, if you would like to support the show, be sure to go and check out the link in the description. You can buy yourself some Gunman merchandise, including these awesome Gunman spray suits. Until next time, get out there and paint some shit. Gunman out.